That was not burning at all. All right, that one does not burn. That's a good choice. Now, the Owens Corning fiberglass, like I said, just the paper is going to burn. Fiberglass is not flammable, it's glass. All right, so definitely the spray foam is the toxic one. Really toxic. Making plumes of thick black smoke. That one refused to burn.
So you can see spray foam, really flammable. That's a petroleum product. Oil, it's gonna burn. Rigid foam, also flammable, not as fast as this. I think it's funny that he put the electrical, the outlet in there, but good for demo. Mineral wool is really fire resistant, and part of the reason I like it a lot is for that purpose. There's other purposes too, but it's a good product. Then the fiberglass has a paper facing on it, so that paper burned off, but the fiberglass itself didn't actually, it went off. It went out once the paper stopped burning. So, I don't know, important to keep in mind, you know, when those giant fires are happening, what we're breathing in, and how fast a house can go up. If it's spray foam, it's likely to burn a lot faster. Yeah.
Open hills fire, or the open firestorm, or the tunnel fire.
Tunnel fire? Okay.
Oh, Professor, but this.
1991.
91. Oh, I was thinking about the one just a couple years ago in that.
Is that a Rosa?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about here, right here now.
No, the orange day. That was crazy. Yeah.
That was from a fire up north.
Yeah. Wilderness? Yeah, I don't remember.
For
Mazalda and then yeah.